Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is beans and corn, aka Adalu. Think the rainy season, think Adalu. Before we start, kindly subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Please help me grow this channel. Thank you very much. So the first thing you're going to do is wash your corn thoroughly with water. After washing, you're going to transfer into a pot. Add water into the pot. You can also add salt. Then you're going to cover and cook until it is soft. Once they are soft, take them out and allow them to cool completely. You see this water, this corn water, this water that I used to cook the corn, it is good. Don't throw it away. I'm going to show you what to do with it later in this video. In another pot, you're going to add some water, cover and bring to a boil. While this water is boiling, you're going to wash your beans. So this is my preferred beans for this recipe. You can use honey beans if you want, but this black eyed peas are the ones that are going to give you that original Adalu taste. So this is what I use. Rinse them in water before transferring into the boiling water. While the beans is cooking, I'm going to start sorting my corn. To do this easily, just get a cutlery and do it the way I'm doing in this video. Once you are able to take out the first row, it will be easy for you to do the rest. Also, you see this corn cob, it is good. I'll show you what to do with it in this video. Please don't trash it. I'll show you what to do with it. So I always boil my beans because it gets rid of the chemicals and preservatives. If you are the type that always have heartburn from eating beans, do it this way when you cook it next time and you will come back to thank me. So you're going to get a clean water and pour it into a pot. Then you're going to add the parboiled beans. So this is what I talked about earlier. I'm going to sieve this into the beans for extra flavor. Then I'm going to add the corn, give it a good mix, and I'm going to add the corn cob. All I'm just trying to do is milk this whole thing because this is very flavorful and this still has some flavors hidden. So I'm going to use them like that. Cover and allow to cook, and when the beans is almost soft, you're going to take the corn cobs out, then proceed to cook the beans until it's soft. This is the pepper I use for my Adalu. You don't need bell peppers or chili, trust me. Just Scotch, bonnet and onions are all you need. Transfer into a blender and blend smoothly. Once your beans is well cooked, check to make sure that it is soft, like extremely soft. Then you're going to proceed to add the blended pepper. Give it a good mix, then cover and allow to cook for 2 minutes. Add the palm oil at this point and salt. You don't need bouillon for this at all. This recipe does not need severe at all and it bangs. Trust me. Mix them all together thoroughly and don't forget to taste and adjust if necessary. Then cover and allow to simmer for 5 minutes, and that's just all you have to do, and your beans and corn is ready. Very simple and very straight to the point. Are you familiar with this recipe or are you willing to give it a trial? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.